Yo, what's up, PC enthusiasts? So today I'm gonna show you how to add a good shadow on any picture you like. I'm gonna show you how to actually use equipments from Photoshop without Photoshop. Okay, I don't like to waste time. I don't like to waste time. Let's just get into it, okay? So I have my browser. Here. It's ready, and we're gonna go to Photo here. All right. So we're gonna go to Photopea and we need a picture, obviously. So let's say you have a picture that you want to put a shadow on. For that, let me just go and search YouTube PNG. Let me just download a YouTube PNG, okay? I'm gonna be using this as reference, all right? So which one is, yeah, this one looks good. Let me just download this one. All right, so that's downloaded. We're gonna go back to our tab and I'm just gonna close this. So I have it downloaded under my downloads. So I'm just gonna drag it and drop it here. All right, it's gonna load as you can see, and that's my picture right there. All right. I actually wish that I had put a background. Let's do it. Let's start it. For you to start over, I'll go over to Files, New, and then it's gonna open this window. So I'm just gonna select the YouTube thumbnail. I like the sizing of that, and then the background is white. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take my picture, the picture that we just downloaded. Don't forget, I just downloaded this picture. All right, and there we go. That's my picture. Okay, not one thing that you need to remember is before you click anywhere else, make sure you put it where you want it to be. Okay, make sure you put it where you want it to be, because once you click outside this frame, it's sort of like doesn't give you this option to like resize. You have to like use shortcuts. So I want it to be here, and I can click on the side, or I can just click done. That's the check mark. All right, and then you're gonna navigate over here to the right hand side. All right, so we have a tab here, and I'm gonna right click on this picture. All right, and then I'm gonna go to blending options. And then we have a couple of options here. If you can, I'll just zoom it out for you. So we have drop shadow, and that's the one that we're looking for. You're gonna check that, and already it's giving you a good shadow. It's not, I mean, it's not bad. That's actually good. But if you don't like it and you want to match it to your picture, we have this angle thingy here. You can just mess around with it. It just, you know, moves it around to like until you find a good position. That came out wrong, but hey, yo, I'm just doing my job. All right, and then you have opacity, so meaning that it can go from nothing to very dark. You have blending options. You can actually use some blending options over here, and you can also set the distance further away or like close by. All right, you also have this thing over here. It's a preview that helps you see how your shadow is gonna appear in case maybe you covered this up and you don't see. This will help you, but that's not the case right now. So we're just gonna use our main reference right there. This is the spread, how big you want it to be. So the more I open it up, the more I reduce it, it becomes it's smooth. So you also have the size on here. Oh, that's where the smoothness comes in. All right, you also have the size here. You can mess around with that. And then there's contour. I've never done this. I've never used this before. And yeah, you have noise. Oh, I see. Nobody wants to do that. All right, and then once you're done, you click OK. There's a lot of things you can do with this. Like really, it's literally Photoshop for free. You understand? So this is how you create a shadow for your picture for free online. If you liked what I did and you want to see more of that, comment what you want to see next. Appreciate you guys being here, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I love you guys.